must say I've been a little funny acting about these lashes. I don't feel like they look natural at all, and I'm really
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel. This is for the mature women out here. I see you doing your thing.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Living Irving. Today's video is going to be a fun one for me. I will be trying on some 25mm lashes for the first time. Yes, 25mm 3D full lashes. So if you want to see what I look like, then keep on watching. This is the brand. I picked them up in the beauty supply. They're by Black Pink 25mm 3D silk faux mink lashes, and I got this kind of little choppy look. I did take them out of the package just to look at them. So they come in a package like this, and on the back they give you some pretty cool instructions on how to apply the lashes. So I like to pull my hair back because I don't want any hair to get on my lashes. And this is the glue that I'm using by Kiss, the strip lash adhesive, and it's latex free and it has aloe in it and it doesn't irritate my eyes. So I've gone ahead and I've lined the top of my lash line like eyeliner and just letting it dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and pop them on. Alright, so what I don't like already about these is I can't tell which end is the front or the back. They're like completely even, so I don't know if that's how it's supposed to go, but I mean I can't tell at all like where the short side starts, you know, which goes short and long on the outside. So I guess they're meant to be one length is what I'm seeing. So I'm gonna start out by just measuring and seeing if I need to cut off any excess. Alright, I'm back. So I have the lashes on, and this is what we're looking like. And actually, I'm surprised. They are actually comfortable on my eyes. I don't feel like they're too heavy, and I actually like how they actually look on me. These are super cute. Now, my thoughts on this, I would not wear these every day. I wouldn't wear them into the office, but I would wear it on a hot date or when I want to look extra sexy in some pictures, or just, you know, a hot date night or something like that. But to me, these definitely are not everyday lashes. I do see people wear them every day, which is like, wow, you know, a little distracting to some coming in the office. And again, to each their own. Do you do what you love? You know, wear them, you know, as much as you want if you like them. I actually like this style a lot, so I'm going to give these lashes 2 thumbs up. They're super cute and I'm super happy with them. So yeah, for my first time wearing the 25mm, yeah, I like them. So maybe I'll find another cute style and come back and do another video like this. What do you think? Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought or what your thoughts are on these lashes, and if you like them on me or not. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.